Hey guys, I'm coming out of the closet to show you 4232 Arden Way. This is actually a fix and flip project we've been working on for 4 months, and we sold it pre-market, but I wanted to show it to you anyway, so come on in and check it out. So I saw this home on the market for 1.9. My business partner, Ryan, showed it to me, and then they dropped the price to 1.7. And Ryan and I said, we gotta purchase this. So my investor saw it. He also agreed that it was a great opportunity at 1.7. We ended up paying full price for it. It is located in one of the nicest areas of Mission Hills, I think, close to Presidio Park, just about 5 doors down from Wolf in the Woods, which is one of the best restaurants in San Diego, in my opinion. So we set a budget, purchased it for 1.7, and I projected the resale value to be 2.45. First thing that we wanted to do is give it some curb appeal, so we updated the front yard, put some nice indigenous plants to the area, and wanted to come with a bold color for the exterior. We updated the wood floors, even though we wanted to keep the wood floors. In the office, actually, we did keep the old floor and also kind of made a speakeasy in that office behind the built-in, painted it like a wine color, and I think that turned out pretty well. We totally remodeled one of the bathrooms in the back, and then we ended up kind of doing a partial remodel in the hall bathroom. Even though it had that pink tile, we wanted to keep that, save a little bit of money, and also trying to keep it kind of mid-century modern, and I think that turned out pretty well. The kitchen was totally redone, and you know, it had red tile, red sink, so we just modernized that a bit. And what's happening now is that we are in escrow. We're closing in about 2 or 3 days. We are less than 5 months into this project, and we ended up getting 2.55 for it, so we got $100,000 more than what we thought. And that's the story on 4232 Arden Way. I hope that gives you an idea of how a flip works. And reach out to me if you need any help on investing or purchasing real estate. Thank you.